Welcome back, muscle car enthusiasts. If you are restoring a classic A-body and searching for the absolute best headers for 1970 Chevelle big block, small block, or even a modern LS swap, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down 5 top-tier header and exhaust components to maximize your Chevy's horsepower, torque, and sound. Let's dive right in and find the perfect fit for your build. Product number 1. Certified Automotive Experts Stainless Steel Headers. Starting off, we have the Certified Automotive Experts Stainless Steel Headers. It is important to note that these are primarily designed as direct-fit headers for modern trucks and SUVs equipped with LS-based V8 engines, rather than a traditional classic rat motor. However, if you are executing a modern LS engine swap into your vintage muscle car, these are definitely worth a look. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, they seamlessly replace restrictive factory cast manifolds with smooth mandrel-bent primary tubes, dramatically enhancing your overall exhaust flow and throttle response. The precision laser-cut flanges are impressively thick, ensuring a highly secure, leak-free connection against the cylinder heads, even under extreme engine heat. While they will require some custom fabrication to make correctly to a classic chassis exhaust system, the exceptional durability and corrosion resistance make them a remarkably solid foundation for builders bringing reliable modern horsepower to their vintage projects. Product number 2. Dingman Auto LS Swap Exhaust Headers. Next up is the Dingman Auto LS Swap Exhaust Headers. If your classic build involves ditching the old-school block for a modern fuel-injected LS powerhouse, these headers are specifically engineered to simplify that exact conversion. Fitting a modern engine into a vintage A-body chassis often creates severe clearance nightmares around the steering shaft and motor mounts. These headers are strategically bent to tuck tightly against the block, providing the essential physical clearance you need for a headache-free installation process. Built with thick tubular steel, they provide excellent exhaust scavenging that unlocks hidden torque and horsepower right off the starting line. They feature premium collector flanges that seal tightly, preventing the dreaded ticking exhaust leak. For dedicated builders who want the daily reliability of a modern engine swap without spending a massive fortune on custom fabrication, this heavy-duty set offers incredible overall value and highly precise fitment for your resto-mod project. Product number 3. Patriot Exhaust H8036 1.5-inch Clipster Exhaust Header. Coming in at number 3 is the Patriot Exhaust H8036 Clipster Header. While we are focusing heavily on big block exhaust upgrades, we absolutely have to mention these for the small block builders out there. These are mid-length headers, specifically designed for exceptionally tight engine bays and custom engine swaps. The unique Clipster design uses longer primaries than standard tight tuck headers, but remains shorter than full-length tubes, giving you the perfect balance between high horsepower gains and superior ground clearance. This is an absolute lifesaver if your classic car has a lowered custom suspension, ensuring you won't scrape metal over every speed bump. Constructed from durable 18-gauge tubing, they arrive complete with all necessary gaskets, header bolts, and collector reducers. Whether you choose the uncoated finish for personalization or the high-temp coating for thermal protection, Patriot delivers phenomenal quality for builders needing compact, high-flowing classic exhaust solutions. Product number 4. Flowmaster 17107 Header Back Exhaust System. Our fourth item shifts gears slightly from headers to what bolts up directly behind them, the Flowmaster 17107 Header Back Exhaust System. Once your headers are securely installed, you need a high-flowing pipe kit to route the exhaust out the back. This specific crossmember back system is custom designed for classic GM A-body cars, making it the ultimate pairing for your engine. It features beautifully mandrel-bent aluminized steel tubing and includes an integrated H-pipe. The H-pipe is crucial because it equalizes exhaust gas pressures between the engine banks, maximizing your horsepower output and producing a smoother, deeper muscle car tone. The complete kit comes with all necessary clamps, heavy-duty hangers, and mounting hardware, though it leaves the muffler choice entirely up to your personal taste. It is a spectacular precision-bent foundation, ensuring your classic ride breathes perfectly from the headers all the way to the tailpipes. Product number 5. Generic Stainless Steel LS Swap Long Tube Header. Rounding out our list is the generic stainless steel LS Swap Long Tube Header. For hot rodders looking to maximize high RPM horsepower on a budget during a modern engine conversion, long tube headers are the undisputed king. The extended length of the primary tubes creates a highly powerful scavenging effect,
literally pulling exhaust gases out of the combustion chamber much faster than traditional shorty headers. Constructed entirely from polished stainless steel, this generic option provides fantastic corrosion resistance and looks absolutely brilliant sitting in an open engine bay. They feature robust, extra-thick flanges to prevent warping and include oxygen sensor bungs already welded into the collectors, which is mandatory for modern electronic fuel injection setups. If you are completing an LS engine swap and demand the maximum possible power output and an aggressive, echoing exhaust note without paying a premium brand tax, these long tubes deliver serious high-speed performance.
In terms of price compatibility, the generic stainless headers and the Patriot Clipsters offer the most budget-friendly entry point for builders watching their wallets. The Dwayne Auto and Certified Automotive sets sit comfortably in the mid-range tier, offering specialized swap fitment. Finally, the Flowmaster system is a slightly larger investment.